Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. It is starting to get super cold, so I am just in my sweatpants and my Mr. Rogers sweater, my literal Mr. Rogers sweater. So I know it has been a long time since I've uploaded. It's been over a month, like about 5 weeks, and unfortunately, I have not just been chilling, well, sort of, just chilling and hanging out, but I said in a previous video that I was having back problems, and I found out that I have degenerative disc disease, which is not that very uncommon and not as scary as it sounds, but one of my discs has lost 50% of its height, and I have some vertebrae that are a little wonky as well, so that's causing me a lot of pain. So I'm literally in like a very sexy back brace. Maybe you can see that. It's a super sexy back brace. And I'm just going to a lot of PT, I'm going to pain management. So I've just been dealing with that and loving my heating pad and some, you know, just physical therapy and all that jazz. But this came in and I had to sit down and film it because I'm super excited that I have this. It is one of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes bundles holiday edition. This is the deluxe. This guy is, it's beefy. It's pretty beefy. It is supposed to come with 8 items and it's supposed to have at least one exclusive item. So I'm going to find my scissors and just start cutting this bad boy open. My husband graduates from college in a week to the day, and it feels so surreal. It feels like it's been so long. At the same time, it feels like it's been so fast. He took a very hard life circumstance where he can't really do a lot of manual labor anymore and went back to school and got his degree in aerospace engineering. So in a week he is going to be a literal rocket scientist. It's insane. Like when he does his homework, it looks like a different language. Okay, so the first thing we have looks like a hoodie. Oh, it is indeed. Oh my gosh. Okay. I was like, that's black hoodie is cute. But as I'm unfolding it, look at the arms all the way down. That is so cool. His logo. Oh my gosh. And on the back, on like the lower left butt or left side, it says iconic. That is iconic. That's awesome. And then on the front, says Jeffree Star Cosmetics, premium cosmetic company, 5-year anniversary, Calabasas, California. This is awesome. I love this. This is super cute. The inside is nice and soft. Oh my gosh, that's really nice. Okay, so I'm probably going to be changing into this later. Okay, we have a Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel or Caramel, however you pronounce it, Kiss. It's almost like a golden coppery shade. I feel like the camera is not doing it justice. It's 'cause it's really not wanting to focus. That's super hot. Okay, and then we have the shade Clout. It's a purple metallic shade. I got this in a previous mystery box, so I'm not gonna touch it. I'll give it away, donate it, any of that jazz. It's just not my speed. And then we have another liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Huntington Beach. Oh, that's crazy. That is a crazy shade. This is, for me, gonna make some really cool eyeliner. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. For the holidays, there is a reusable straw and brush. The brush is just slid in there. And it's like candy cane stripe. That's so cute. And then it says Jeffree Star on the side. Please focus, camera. Come on. Stop doing me so dirty. That is so adorable. So cute. I'm so sorry if my camera is not focusing. Oh my gosh, adorable. And then we have the stickers. That was the drama behind these boxes. Very awesome. Really, really gorgeous art. That's so pretty. Oh, and then we have the Thirsty palette. I already have one of these, so this is gonna get in a giveaway or a donation. And then the last guy is the whole reason I decided to go with the deluxe box. It's the Peppermint Frost Skin Frost Pro palette. This is only in this box. Front is super cute. Candy cane striped. Oh my gosh. It smells so good, and it's not overwhelming peppermint, like it's very subtle. So there is 3 shades here. We have Ugly Sweater, Igloo Gold, and Chocolate Ice. Oh, they're so buttery smooth. Okay, so the first one, Ugly Sweater. It's got like a nice pink undertone to it. That's super pretty. And then next is Igloo Gold. Oh, I think this one's my favorite so far. And then last is Chocolate Ice. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. Look at that. All right, so that is it for Jeffree Star's Holiday Edition Mystery Box, the deluxe size, the deluxe, yeah, size, we'll go with that, the deluxe edition, I don't know. So, you know, there's some things in here that I already have, but you know, no big deal. But I am most excited about this guy. This I'm definitely most excited for. The straw and the hoodie, absolutely love it. I feel like even just for the hoodie and the palette, this was totally worth my money. Definitely a big fan. So if I don't get to filming another video because I am a slacker with a bum back, please have a happy and safe holiday, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.